Kofi so atepa free no ade be pema no be. Nanim nyina tutum.
Football is sanity.
Me something. Kofi apon koto mo jadu no. Yeah, the Jacobo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I find there.
Oh yeah, baby, I okay.
Okay.
And no me can send me an message to be.
Okay.
If it's a many fear, this will be probably the weakest Bilbao team I'm in.
I'm going to grow. About team
because I know she crown me come chika krebia na me share players be say Adoris even Ike Munian Oscar Di Marco. They had a solid team and no more Barrich this kind be about media. Omo kra anyi hu ben no where the Real Madrid omo na it tells you the kind of level omo team ni enye scary we on omo ya you be them na anope gabi and stories no there was something that me observe here and Xabi Alonso said it right say Real Madrid born omo born and the Carlo Ancelotti kakra na omo pese omo bo in the front three even when Kylian Mbappe buy no nti no pese omo bo Rodrigo de goals Mbappe Vinicius Xabi Alonso nje sade ni ndi no in this where even in the latter days Vinicius Kylian Mbappe buy no na even Uriah Feno Carlo Ancelotti was playing in a diamond midfielder. Obo Jude Bellingham behind two strikers, Vini and Mbappe. That is what Xabi Alonso Susugidi. Rich, Sasana coaches in the best of more Real Madrid there. Then I also saw two players now. Almost as a fine omo and Tiasie. And Mahus aside as I develop to a level bia emu edo. So what share Real Madrid matches see here? Kylian Mbappe yat Vinicius I say in terms of the runs, the movement, time our train pass, baby obeko, ako train the pass near day. And Vinicius also yat Kylian Mbappe say in the same way. I'm a Barcelona fan, but Enra, when I was watching the game, there were some spells I will game anymore. Now, me more thumbs up say they seems to understand each other and a grow honum. The only difficulty me say Real Madrid koso abosa e mo attack near narrow because a two top asem na woka no. Omo ntimi spread it to say team ebo 4-3-3. For instance, Barcelona ebo na obo Lamine Yamal right, Rafinha left, Lewandowski center. Omo de na emu ebie e more expansive. But say obo Jude Bellingham behind Vinicius and Kylian Mbappe e narrow. Yana enono easier to defend. And a crash show or result. Yes. As any time yes, Kylian Mbappe. Yes, easy to always Kylian Mbappe. But Rich, the form of Mbappe no. Look, because Real Madrid and start say omo G Champions League na say omo G trophies no. And e kata sade no so. But bona brand any bon hu papa. The rate no share goals no. And so one Sheboni be because probably is all about the goals. Rich or Bubo no so he's dashing to the right places or Jibon in the take ons or to he's doing a lot of things right. The Akai Real Madrid as a team success. Now a pushing Kylian Mbappe to every podium be opposed to Dubia and any aspirations until movie bar team your friend Real Madrid until points gap now back to 1. because after Barcelona it take kick off ATM no and now Real Madrid so take kick off Bilbao for no until La Liga no more there. Look, baby, I a boy special Mondays and Thursdays. No, I think that's my camera. Guy no be a referee no. You ever start this season now? Yeah, prediction no. Rich because I'm going to referee say at the end of who Arsenal mo am say Arsenal na beje English Premier League no. Na adam referee Arsenal na. Omo ye dapa for them see o. Mijitum. But this season bibia point say Arsenal season. Rich, who the way Arsenal about Brentford now? Because Brentford ain't stubborn. But it was because Arsenal dealt with almost strength bia winning more Brentford team. So almost quick transitions, Americano Mokono, how aggressive are Brentford a bia mutro at Arsenal biano. Arsenal were equal to it in dealing with Brentford almost strength. I think say baby ka krabia na Arsenal tosini was set pieces, you know. And then Mikael Bakubia, David Raya, also Yiboba. And now a do set piece and I won't say Brentford for a likely say and share a whole no my fashion go. But which apart from that, BBA and himself Brentford Eddie stop on this season Biano. Arsenal dealt with it. Now Arsenal dealing with it you know. They also found a way to score goals, you know, to get the 3 maximum points. You know. Look, this Arsenal team, America, is the most complete team in Europe this year. I can say, almost squad in depth, the quality of the squad, and it's a mobile to complement time in Arsenal. Hey, I did be who underrated at this level, there. Nene wow. But I think say as the season go along, you know, people have started to believe say, who say, this season AI Arsenal season, you know, probably they were right. And Arsenal said you almost 3 points. Oh. Now, Rich. Say they mean who acquire me first one. Met me di Yabra Charles to the boy team Liverpool moon common be more. Because
Liverpool team.
Who said this is the situation? Omakwa could do baby on. And I will say they will turn things around. Then they get one result. I was okay. Oh, see a guy. Rich. Then the following match, they get back to default settings. And me say me share Real Madrid kakra. Into Premier League games in the start here, I'm so my starting share Arsenal games now. To me share them who say Leeds, I share Chelsea one. And I'm saying what is happening? And I'm in Koshe. Rich, in my wildest imagination, I never thought say Liverpool ever come when you hear him against Sunderland. Even though me say Sunderland team this season has been very, very good. I feel me phone it down in chair and I'm so my main cost can it through results. Me ko share Sunderland said Liverpool 1. I say so and my main cost be 10 minutes be. Rich. My problem with Liverpool team and say show more. It's not as if they are not playing football. They are playing intensity BBA. But there is something missing from their game. Well, you don't even realize at the crowd. Because born and West is also born and one or more born. Intensity good, passing game, switching to right, switching to left, bringing their players in. But there seems to be something missing from Liverpool performances now. Me what the crowd.
Is it not their defense? They're porous.
Rich. Look.
Because Bibians is our team.
Any good attacking philosophy bia ni team defensive problems because bona what free something must give. And Rich, even under your club Liverpool were conceding goals but they will beat you 3-1 4-1 last season and a slot to buy your OG league. how tight was Liverpool? No one tight sao. But they will beat you. You're starting game now. No matter 2-0. Over Tiba Economy the Bakwasa so 3-1. No more performance if you are going. But this time around, Rich, they are conceding and they are not scoring enough. Now, Enkofosio, Mohamed Salah, or Bomo Kadodo, Nenema go say on Tiasiana on Pebe Bintina. In the last 2 games, oh boy.
And I was almost a lot. Saturday I was at National bench because Ranton or Brain or both season
to manage it, you know.
The man in Trent.
But you see, for you and himself, Quaquine Grammar. Cesala Mobi, not still. On which he must have bad. And Unim de Kumi Rich. We are talking about games at Anfield. And you said you Marco Stadium of Light. And Marco Bordeaux is Sunderland.
But Ayala, Sunderland, they are doing well.
But you see, Rich.
And that's how I can say, game they're adding.
Yes. But Rich, Liverpool at Anfield. I want to game my head in cry about say Liverpool won the Liverpool group anymore. There is something missing from the Liverpool team, and probably be say you want to be a winning into soon. They ain't winning ever call. Look, and I'm a cancer same. Coach is being said Daniel Farke Mwong. Rich, omi those coaches now, omi stubborn to their philosophy. And I'm a kind. Leeds United coach.
And no, that's the first half 2-0. Second half, I'm saying the Obano. Or be managing game.
Names are there yet.
Still nah.
No be. Me catch you. The last time when the team qualified by Premier League was Norwich. Sanobo. Into the bona Obono Rich. A high risk football. Or a German knee. Or what German football. Yem biom yem pressy yem more expansive say ekoye ma ye ne sa ya say so mo say o ma say but because the team Leeds United no only quality baby to play sa toe to toe football no and to football league na we no lose majority of the games but Rich along the season the stubbornness no obenya one game will be against big sider sabe no every farmer no enu bi na eto no enu ano. It was a good day at the office for him, bad day at the office for Chelsea. And it's all rare. Even Chelsea commentators, almost 30 games in the first 15-20 minutes. Almost some United say, Leeds United are all over Chelsea. And almost any Jim Preston, German, and you see, Rich, they were able to do that because they know, say, Uchu Mutanya, and they carrying Chelsea team no. Uyi Mueska said of free more. Now show the numbers any the Chelsea balance now. No player in the Chelsea setup any bet me about replace Abrantiano a team in him. And it's a Chelsea about with a weak balance. Now you presume here. That is the best way we can play them and get a resource. And then you no share first goal. So now the game became difficult for Chelsea to chase. And Rich, we a big team around. There are some games we say the Chelsea born and run. No matter what you do, ever. Require Chelsea fans to consider
third goal.
Abba.
Tossing.
You see, me blame tossing, baby. But me assure say, the back pass to him was given to him because say that feature tossing only she crowd here, the ball playing. And see, everyone says a pressure or yen so. Yen for Bonima, ye different than only Bonnie. At least on the ball, can he will be able to take the right decisions on the ball. And see, all the pass in the man, Abra Bonnie said so. And also the pass in the man, go Abra Bonnie said so. And said the medical catch on. Fake is a German gingin pressing coach. And no more pressing your medical share third goal. No. And time a third goal to no, there was nothing Chelsea could do. Rich, it was just a bad day at the office for Chelsea. Many shows say a big giddy bianesi. That football so we did I say at here. When you are having good times, oh wow, now bad results, we are about the film. Now my reality check say probably only 100% in this animal man. Everybody that told club of Chelsea and Leeds United had them at the right place, stubborn to their philosophy and they are in one of those games now omo betimi anya results for the way they play and enra ebo mo e dey ma omo ni rich the ebesia no na mo so mbese
oh West Ham there so they were kind of say one of those games are we betimi anya bad day at the office the share I china asma no bad day the just for my we mo we need be your tramaga West Ham there I think we beat them and we should beat them. This West Ham team, I show ma. A Paqueta team.
I don't know could red card. So just beat them. And see your boy Mukran to me.
No, boy, this is in the form of form. In the form of form.
Tierra and Muse. Ever game the no. My you for be shout.
A one game as I shall miss a bit more. But I don't mean to be kind because I could get 3-1.
You're two chances in the West to come to us. West to us.
And about me, some of the supporters' voices, my sister.
Marriage, and yes,
the man show me club no in the boy, Division 2.
As I am training
grounds. So you don't allow a Division 2 side to beat you. And as a name, go from me every more. FA Cup, a 40th team. I've forgotten Omudi. Grisby. I mean, Manchester level. Not team of 4th year. And yet a championship 4th year. No, you free man. I say, yeah. And also supporters no. So, no. House of Folk Division 2.
But Rich Unim say Sanka eye enran kwa enesia. And Kamaka say, oh, FA Cup de Saran in Subaintie. A competition bia.
Surprises room.
Yes, upsets. And you're peculiar to Ghana. Be a FA Cup bia. You title those stories. But Rich, this is not the first time at was. Last season at Tuomo. Last 2 seasons at Tuomo. And the man who said, okay, then there should be BB a contributor to Sardian. Now, me analysis in here. Se unim FA Cup na. The Ato Arsenal, it doesn't give you the opportunity.